Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Well, today we are going to disable Microsoft automatic Windows updates. While working on your computer, suddenly you get the notification to update and restart, and it's really annoying. I understand that. So let's go ahead and disable Windows Update. So for that, just do a right click on the start icon, click on run. You can also press Window and R key to get this window. Window and R. Once you get the run window, type services.msc and hit OK. Now the moment you do it, a new window will appear like this, and I'll just maximize it so that we can see. Click any of the services, press W and scroll it down and look for Windows Update Service. Now here I can see enabled, so just do a right click, click on Start and do a right click again, go to Properties and Startup Type. Make sure you click on Disable and then click on Apply and then OK. Once you're done with this, just restart the computer and Windows Update Service will be disabled. If you want to disable it permanently, then I'll tell you by a different way, and I'll try my best to make it very easier for you. So for that, just press Window and R and type. Once you have typed regedit, hit OK. It will ask you to say yes, so I'll just say yes, and a window will appear like this. So I'll maximize this. Now at the left hand side, we need to go to H key local machine. Once you expand it, you get other options, security, software. So we need to go to software, and here I'll scroll it down. We are looking for policies. So I can see policy here, and I'll just click next to it to expand it. And here we got the Microsoft. So I'll just expand the Microsoft as well. And here we are looking for Windows. So under policies, just select Windows and do a right click, click on New key and type as I am typing it, AU. Once you type AU, hit enter and then click on that again. Do a right click, click on expand and select DWORD 32-bit value. So no matter you're using a 64-bit computer, we need to select DWORD 32-bit value. From the AU, I just have to do a right click, click on new, DWORD 32-bit value, and here I'll type no auto update without any space. Make sure you type exactly the same I am typing. So once you type no auto update, click anywhere and then just do a double click on that and give the value 1 here, hit OK, and then restart the computer. So in this manner, you will be able to disable Windows Update, Windows Automatic Update permanently. So guys, if this video is useful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.